What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be flipping this 2014 Nissan
Versa.
Nissan Versa, and all we're going to do is literally just clean it. Just wait until I show you guys, but before we do, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for the latest video, and please share this video with your friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your grandma, your mom, your dad, your cousins, everything. All right, so anyways, let's go. All right, so here's a 360 view. We did get it for Copart for $2,500. I put all the numbers on the screen. It does have nail damage all around the car. That's what it was listed as. So there's really nothing we need to do with this car other than detail it. And let me go ahead and show you the interior. This is the lowest model of a Versa, so it does have like these roll-up windows and like these to fix your side mirrors. And for a 2014, it doesn't even have like one of those advanced looking radios, like nothing with a touch screen, and it doesn't even have a temperature gauge. All right, so this car is literally the cheapest you can imagine in a car. All right, so again, all we're gonna do is literally just detail it. Again, just gonna do some interior, wash it, and we'll show you the before and after. All right, so let's get started.
Let's go.
All right, so we're gonna test drive it. I'm gonna be the first one to drive it. I'm just gonna go drive down the street and see how it acts, and then we just go on from there. All right, so I'm driving it. I'm about to do a very hard brake. So babe, hold on. All right, so I just got done braking the car. She kind of flew around, but that's okay. She's fine. The car feels very healthy. I'm testing out the reverse. Everything looks really nice. I'm just gonna go back home now. I'm on my way to sell this car. $4,500 is the agreed price, and I'm gonna pay half of the sales tax due to the fact that the hail damage and the competition is $4,200. So I mean, I'm not getting a bad deal at all. So yeah. All right guys, so the 2014 Nissan Versa is finally detailed. The exterior and interior is finally done. All four quadrants, I'll pop up on the screen. All pictures are shown. And guess what? We sold the 2014 Nissan Versa, all right? So we sold it for $4,300. And I think total profit was literally $500, total for $1,000 and some change. And it sold within 2 weeks, all right? Literally, the car was a hail damaged car, so we literally got it, vacuumed it, and everything else. Like I said, we just detailed it like the pictures I shown in the previous clip. So yeah, so with that money, we literally bought 3 cars. I'm not making it up. We got a banging, spanking deal. So please stay tuned for the next few videos that are coming out. Those 3 cars are coming at this moment that I'm recording, and I still have 2 cars that I'm looking to sell right now. I might as well show you a sneak peek. If you will tilt the camera right over here, it's this Toyota Prius. All right, so please stay tuned for that next video. I will make sure I show everything. All right, this car is literally crazy, insane. All right, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, share the video to all your friends, family, anyone you know, even the stranger down the road. All right, thank you guys for watching, and peace.